guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do a cleature hairstyle. I'm using this cleachers to make some hairstyles. For the first hairstyle I'm using this cleature. Just comb your hair a little bit, comb your hair. Grab some hair and then just smooth it out and then twist your hair and then pull it little upward to make a puff and then secure your hair with cleature. It gives little volume on your this side. For the next hairstyle, I'm taking little hair from this section, from this side, and I'm also taking little hair from this side. And then just twist the hair and then secure this. If you want, then you can pull little hair to make a puff. Now I'm going to use this hair cleature to make hairstyle. Just section your hair and then twist this and move it a little forward and then secure this. Okay, now this is ready. Again, for the next hairstyle you can wear the same hair look. Just twist the hair and then secure this. For the final hairstyle, just twist your hair, move it upward and then secure the hair. And then just flip your hair. For the next hairstyle, twist your hair and then thank you so much for your time. If you like this hairstyle, then please give me some thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Goodbye.